Hello everyone, this is Master Roshan from Gate 11C reporting live. Arcot witnessed an inspiring celebration of knowledge and life skills as Economics Day was observed with great enthusiasm on February. The event aimed to help the students understand the true importance of economics in everyday life and in shaping the nation's future. To engaging sessions, students explore the fundamental of their financial literacy, learning how money, resource, and smart decisions influence society. Young learners like me were introduced to budgeting and income allocation, gaining practical insight of managing expenses, cultivating a habit of saving from early ages. We were honored to have our expert guest, Dr. Benny George, head of the Department of Economics, St. Thomas College, affiliated to Mahatma Gandhi University, Kerala, who shared valuable insight and relevance of economics in education and career building. The program also opened the doors to future possibilities by presenting economics as a dynamic career option, guiding students towards a field such as finance, entrepreneurship, policymaking, and research. Connecting classrooms concepts to real world scenarios, the celebration highlighted the role of economics in today's Indian economy, enabling the students to understand the growth rate, sustainable development. Economics Day concluded with a powerful message: practice wise spending builds stronger saving habits and possible of making a good citizen of tomorrow. The education experience truly reflects our institution commitment to financially aware and future ready learners. As I conclude, we proudly present the Rishs Scholarship Exam. It's scheduled on 22nd of February at Rishs International School, a golden opportunity for NEET and JEE aspirants to pursue their dreams with free quality education and expert guidance. Your dream deserves the right platform. Begin with Rishis. Master Roshan is signing off.
Join us at Rishs International School, Vepur, Arcot for a vibrant experience.